I was looking for a cookbook stand. I got this really cute holiday baking cookbook and I thought it'd be really cute to display in my home. So I wanted just a place that I could hold it like a cookbook stand. Saw this one and it looked awesome. It's bamboo, so I'm excited to get it out of the package. Here it is in the packaging and I love the way this is. This would actually make a really good gift because you can see it just has like the beautiful little pink shredded paper there. It just looks really, really nice in the box as well. Here it is and I love it. I really like that you have the measurement conversion on here. I think that's something that's really, really cool. I like that you have the liquid conversions. That's something that I'm always Googling when I'm baking. So love, love, love this. There were some comments about this being really light and hard to see, but that's not the case with this one. You can see that the text is very bold and very bright. So this is gonna be awesome. I'm just gonna have my little holiday baking cookbook here and then I can refer to it as needed. So here you do have some instructions as well that come with it, just cleaning prior to use, some of the usage scenarios as well. So thought this was really, really nice. Love the packaging and I love the way it looks. I'm excited to display it. I did also want to point out really quick just how nice this is. This has a rubber little stamp on this on the bottom so that when you're moving this around, it's not going to move on you. I've had so many different stands before that just go flat because this slips out, but it has the rubber right here on the bottom. So that's going to make sure that it does stay in place nicely regardless of how you store it.